11 foods that are good for your liver. The liver is a powerhouse of an organ. It performs a variety of essential tasks, ranging from producing proteins, cholesterol and bile to storing vitamins, minerals, and even carbohydrates. It also breaks down toxins like alcohol, medications, and natural byproducts of metabolism. Keeping your liver in good shape is important for maintaining health. This video lists the 11 best foods to eat to keep your liver healthy. 1. Coffee. Coffee increases antioxidant levels in the liver, all while decreasing inflammation. It also helps lower the risk of developing liver disease, cancer, and fatty liver. 2. Tea. Black and green tea may help improve enzyme and fat levels in the liver. However, exercise caution if you're taking a green tea extract, as it may cause damage. 3. Grapefruit. The antioxidants in grapefruit protect the liver by helping reduce inflammation and increase its protective mechanisms. However, human studies, as well as those on grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, are lacking. 4. Blueberries and cranberries. Berries are high in antioxidants, which help protect the liver from damage. They may even help improve its immune and antioxidant responses. Still, human studies are needed to confirm these results. 5. Grapes. Animal and some human studies show that grapes and grapeseed extract protect the liver from damage, increase antioxidant levels and fight inflammation. 6. Prickly pear. Prickly pear fruit and juice may help with hangover symptoms by reducing inflammation. They may also help protect the liver from damage caused by alcohol consumption. 7. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice helps protect the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation, all while increasing its natural detoxification enzymes. However, human studies are needed. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts may help increase the liver's natural detoxification enzymes, protect it from damage, and improve blood levels of liver enzymes. 9. Nuts. Nut intake has been associated with improved liver enzyme levels in people with NAFLD. Conversely, low nut intake has been associated with a higher risk of developing the disease. 10. Fatty fish. Eating omega-3 rich fatty fish has many benefits for the liver. However, it's just as important to keep your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio in check. 11. Olive oil. Studies show that olive oil consumption helps decrease the levels of fat in the liver, increase blood flow, and improve liver enzyme levels. Your liver is an important organ with many essential functions. Therefore, it's recommended that you do what you can to protect it, and the foods listed above have demonstrated beneficial effects on the liver. These include lowering the risk of liver disease and cancer, raising antioxidant and detoxification enzyme levels, offering protection from harmful toxins. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a natural and healthy way to help keep your liver functioning at its best.